Hi friends, myself Subrata Mukherjee and you are viewing my channel Dr. Subrata Mukherjee Distance Learning in Commerce. Today I am going to discuss another problem on dissolution. This is problem number 13 on partnership account and lecture number 2 on dissolution. I would like to request all the students who are viewing my channel to record the problem in your notebook so that you can understand it properly. Students can communicate with me through email which I have given in the description box. Ram and Hari are partners in a firm. They share profits and losses in the ratio of 1:2. On 1st April 2022, they decided to dissolve the partnership, and on that date, the balance sheet of the firm was as under. Liabilities: Sunday creditors 50,000, general reserve 60,000, Hari's loan 30,000, capital account of Ram 1,50,000 and of Hari 1 lakh. And on asset side, we have cash at bank rupees 10,000, Sunday debtors 50,000, less provision for doubtful debt 2,000. So net figure of Sunday debtors is 48,000. Stock 1,02,000, furniture 30,000, machinery and plant 80,000, land and building 1,20,000. This total of assets and liability side is 3,90,000. The sales of a firm's properties realized rupees 1 lakh from stock, rupees 34,000 from furniture and rupees 1 lakh from land and buildings. Rupees 45,000 were collected from debtors and creditors were paid off at a discount of rupees 1,000. Machinery and plant are taken over by Ram at their book value. The expenses of realization amounted to rupees 4,000. Prepare necessary ledger accounts. So here I have prepared the three ledgers: realization account, bank account and partners capital account. So first of all, we have to transfer the balances which are given in the balance sheet to realization account, partners capital account or bank account. So let's start. Let us start from the asset side. So the first figure in the balance sheet is the cash at bank. So I have to record it in the bank account as to balance BD. So here I am writing to balance BD 10,000. Next item is the Sunday debtor balance. So I have to transfer the balance to realization account. So realization account debit to Sunday debtors. So here I am writing in realization account to Sunday debtors account 50,000. And the provision for doubtful debt I am recording on the credit side of realization account as by provision for doubtful debt account. This is 2,000 rupees. Next item is stock. So realization account debit to stock, and this amount is 1,02,000. Next is furniture. So realization account debit to furniture account, and the balance is 30,000 rupees. Next item is machinery and plant. So to realization account debit to machinery and plant account rupees 80,000. Next is land and building. So realization account debit to land and buildings account 1,20,000. So now we have to come to the liability side of the balance sheet. So first item is given as the creditor. So I am writing here in realization account by creditor. So journal entry is creditor account debit to realization account. So on credit side of realization account, I am writing by creditors 50,000. Next item is general reserve. So general reserve we have to transfer to partners capital account. So in partners capital account, I am leaving one line because the first line will be recorded regarding the partners capital, and the second line I am recording by general reserve. And the balance of general reserve is 60,000. That will be distributed between the partner Ram and Hari in the ratio of 1:2. So 60,000 will be divided between Ram and Hari in the ratio of 1:2. So that is 20,000 and 40,000. Next item is Hari's loan. So in realization account, I am recording by Hari's loan. Account 30,000. Next is the balance of capital. So in partners capital account, I am recording by balance BD 1,50,000 and 1 lakh. So here I have recorded all the balances which are given in the balance sheet. Have a look at it. Now coming to the adjustment, it is given the sales of firm's property is realized rupees 1 lakh from stock. So in realization account, we are recording by bank account. So the first item is from the sale of stock for rupees 1 lakh. So in inner column, I am recording 1 lakh. The journal entry is bank account debit to realization, rupees 1 lakh. Next is from sale of furniture, 34,000 is collected. So 34,000. So journal entry is bank account debit to realization account, and the item is for furniture. Next is from land and building. So here I am recording by bank account debit to realization account, and the item is land and building 1 lakh. In the inner column I have recorded, and 45,000 was collected from debtors. So bank account debit to realization account from debtors, this is 45,000. So total amount collected from the sale of asset is rupees 2,79,000. In the outer column, I am recording 2,79,000. So journal entry is bank account debit 2,79,000 to realization account. So in bank account, we have to record bank account debit to realization account 2,79,000. Next, it is given that creditors were paid off at a discount of rupees 1,000. So creditor and the Hari's loan will be repaid. So in realization account, I am recording realization account debit to bank account. So the balance of creditor is 50,000. 1,000 is the amount of discount which the partnership firm have received from the creditors. So amount paid to creditor is 49,000. So journal entry is realization account debit to bank, and the item is for creditors. This is 49,000. And regarding Hari's loan, the full amount will be repaid, that is for 30,000. So in the outer column, you have to record 79,000. So the amount which was paid to creditors and Hari's loan is rupees 79,000. So in bank account, you have to record by realization account 79,000. Then it is given that machinery and plant are taken over by Ram at their book value. So journal entry is partner's capital account debit, that is Ram's capital account debit to realization, and it was taken at book value. So the value of machinery and plant is rupees 80,000. That will be taken at book value by Ram. So in realization account, I am recording by Ram's capital account, and this item is for machinery. This is 80,000. So in partner's capital account, we have to record partner's capital account debit, that is Ram's capital account debit to realization account 80,000. Next adjustment is the expense of realization amounted to rupees 4,000. So journal entry is realization account debit to bank, and this is for expense of realization. This is rupees 4,000. So in bank account we have to record by realization account rupees 4,000. So you can see that I have recorded the items which I have given in the balance sheet and the transactions, additional informations which is given in the question. I have recorded all the items which are given in the balance sheet and in the additional information. So first I have transferred the assets to realization account and the liabilities to realization account, and the balance of capital and general reserve I have recorded in partners capital account. Then the amount realized from the sale of assets and the amount that was paid off to liabilities, that is creditors and Hari's loan. Now this is the time to find out the profit or loss on realization. So here we are having a loss on realization account. So total of debit side is rupees 4,65,000. And the amount of loss is 24,000. So this loss will be transferred to partners capital account. So here I am writing by partners capital account 24,000, and the loss of 24,000 will be distributed between Ram and Hari in 1:2. So Ram will bear a loss of rupees 8,000 and Hari will bear a loss of 16,000. Now this amount I am going to transfer to partners capital account. So in partners capital account I am transferring the amount of loss that we calculated in realization account. So partners capital account debit to realization account 8,000 and 16,000. Now we are going to close the partners capital account. So credit side of Ram is 1,70,000 and total of Hari is 1,40,000. So Ram will be paid 82,000 and Hari will be paid 1,24,000. So in bank account we have to record this transaction. So in bank account I am writing by partners capital account Ram 82,000 and Hari 1,24,000. So total is 2,06,000. So total of bank account on debit and credit side is rupees 2,89,000. So in one screen I am trying to show the solution. So the three ledger that we have drawn here is the realization account, bank account and partners capital account. So in three steps you have to solve this problem. The first step is to transfer the balances which is given in the balance sheet to realization account and partners capital account, and the balance of cash at bank I have recorded in the bank account. Next step is to sell the assets and to pay off the liabilities, and the third step is to find out what is the amount that is to be paid off to the partners. Thank you. Thanks for watching the lecture.